also there are 4 rest areas you need to cross to reach to get whole knowledge on Snowflake database. So this is the rest area 1, where you will get basically introduction, architecture, basic components, DDL, DML, role, and virtual warehouse. And rest area 2, you will get all the stage setup, how to create different type of schemas, functions, transform transactions, and all these. And 3, you will get more related to clustering, utilities, time travel, and all these. And 4 will have sort of advanced topics and project. Okay, so that's the syllabus related to Snowflake. Then there are topics related to Azure, where we have multiple courses. Course 1 covers basically ADF, Synapse, and Airflow. That is ADF, basically Azure Data Engineer. Got it? So whoever having little bit idea about cloud technologies and you want to go over and make yourself as cloud data engineer, you can choose this Azure course, or there is one ETL data engineer, that is Informatica course. So any one of them. And basically in course 1, we are going to cover basic Azure concept, its setup, all the different components, and we'll have much more stress on Azure Data Factory. That's the ETL component of Azure. And then like some part of Synapse will cover, and there will be a project. Another course we have called Big Data Engineer with Python, where you are going to learn Python, PySpark, Hadoop Hive, and one of the project. So if someone having little bit idea about Hadoop clustering and all these knowledge, you can join us as Big Data Engineer. And the third category we have here as Databricks Data Engineer, where you will have to have some knowledge about big data technologies, Python, and then you can cover and learn Databricks. Got it? But in Databricks, mostly we are going to cover some basic Python, PySpark, and Databricks concept. And there will be Power BI along with that, so that you will be much more comfortably working in industry as a Databricks developer with the project. So altogether, we are offering 5-6 course this month, okay? And next month, or like last week of this month, we are also going to start AWS class. So that's the overall process, guys, here. And SQL, I will take 3 classes, 2 hours. And whoever having experience little bit or more and whatever it is, you guys can refresh it along with us. We'll start with basic, then we'll go over single row functions, DDL, DML, join, aggregate, and then we'll cover some window functions also, some part of partition and index, and some tuning concept. So that will cover in 3, like we target 3 classes, but if needed, we'll have 1 more classes. And then the batch will be distributed to either Informatica or Azure ADF or Big Data Engineer or Databricks, having PySpark and Python and Databricks classes. So that's the overall plan we have, guys, here. Okay. And whoever is nearby to New Jersey, you guys can at least in a week come to classroom also. And if it is not possible, you can attend online itself from US and India. All the courses will be of 2 months to 2.5 months. And after that, our main business is to place candidates. That's our main business. So once your training will be completed, you can create your resume. We'll review it. We'll help you out to create that. And then we'll do marketing for you guys. Once you will go on job, we can help you and give you technical support also. Apart from that, we have our channel on YouTube and we are on Insta, LinkedIn, and all these places. YouTube, you guys can visit Vaanii Technologies LLC. And there on daily basis, we are posting quizzes. And that is the preparation for interview, basically. So you can see Databricks Daily Dose day 65. It means we already posted 65 interview questions on Databricks, and even it will help in certification also. And then if you will see Python quiz that we have started from today itself, and you have Unix day 1 plus Snowflake day 54. And you can see SQL, we already posted 101 SQL questions. So daily basis, we are putting at least three quizzes here on different technologies. So whenever you get chance, you can just go and finish a lot of quizzes here. Plus, we are having a lot of videos and some of them very funny videos. Our main goal is to just learn with fun. So if you will see, we are just posting tiny capsules on different technologies. Like you can see here, SQL 1.5 minute, a small capsule on different technologies like here null or date function or numbers. So we are just keep posting all these. If you will go to playlist, you can kind of easily get all these. Okay. And all these are free here. So that's the overall things related to the courses. For SQL class, you guys can join on again on Wednesday at same time, that's 13. And for India, it will be Thursday, right? So join on 13 US time again, using same link, and we'll go over SQL. So SQL will go on 13th, 15th, and till 18th, 3 days. And then we'll split batches for different courses. Okay. That's all about our plan and all these things, guys. And if any one of you have any question, concern, you can go ahead and ask me.
Did you say you were going to start AWS by end of month? Is it right?
Correct. Last
Okay.
week of month, we are going to start AWS as well.
All right. Thank you.
No problem.
So, can you tell the difference between Informatica and ADF? Are the two same or separate?
So both are ETL tool basically, but Informatica having different flavor, and ADF is basically Azure-based ETL tool. So if you know one of the tool, you can work on other tool by just learning like at least 2 weeks of the classes. But principle-wise, both are ETL tool, and right now both tool having good demand.
Okay, thank you.
So if you are going to learn ADF, you will go as Azure Data Engineer. If you are going to learn Informatica Cloud, you will go as an Informatica Cloud Data Engineer.
So they do have same services like Azure.
Azure having all the services, but Informatica is just ETL tool. But
Okay,
in ADF, you can use all other Azure services as well.
okay, thank you.
Any other
Rajnish,
question, guys?
I have one question
Yes.
actually. Though, so the
Yes.
Spark content with Databricks is the common point in both all the data engineering, right? Whether AWS, GCP, or Azure, PySpark and Databricks will be the common point, right? So if we want to learn that thing first, will it be suitable or should we start from anywhere?
See, Databricks, if you are going to learn, you have to learn any one of these three platforms, GCP, Azure, or AWS, because Databricks will work only on these three platforms. Now, the point is how much you need to learn these cloud things. That is at least 1 week of courses. And Databricks, if you are going to learn, you will have to learn. Here, right now, we are providing Azure flavor Databricks. So you will have to learn some of the ADF related components and some Azure services before moving to Databricks. Plus, prerequisite to work in Databricks is you need to know SQL, some and Spark, PySpark basically. So to learn PySpark, you need to learn little bit Python first and then PySpark, then you will work on Databricks. So normally, whoever are fresh in IT, I prefer for them not to directly go to Databricks. First, learn either Informatica or learn ADF, and then go to Databricks because you have to cross multiple technologies first, like database is the basic one, then the cloud platform, then Python PySpark, and then you will reach to Databricks. But Databricks is the hottest ETL tool right now in market. After that, Informatica and ADF is hot. So freshers just aim for Informatica or ADF, and whoever having some experience, you can reach till Databricks. Any other question? Anyone? No? Okay, so we'll see you guys on Wednesday again at same time and using same link. For India, it will be Thursday. Okay? Okay, thanks all of you guys. Have a good night.
Good night, sir.